Hi everyone, in this video we'll see together how to use Copilot in Outlook to write emails super fast. Quick alert, I'm talking about Copilot Premium. So the version, the paid one of Copilot, €28.10 per user per month for those working in large companies, so with more than 300 users, or €18.20 per user per month for small companies. Instead, for those who have the E7, the new type of license for Microsoft 365 Enterprise, it's included, okay? So the advanced version of Copilot and not Copilot Chat, which is instead the free version. So Copilot Free, Copilot Basic. Microsoft always makes a mess from this point of view with the names. Good. Copilot Premium is the version we have integrated into Outlook and therefore that we can exploit during our daily lives in managing our emails. In this case, let's see how to write emails starting precisely from the new mail button. When I create a new mail, I automatically have the possibility here to use this little button to call up Copilot to write the draft of my email.
Wait a moment. I'll steal 10 seconds to introduce myself. I am one of the Microsoft most valuable professionals, and on this channel, you will find tons of technical videos to keep you updated on all Microsoft 365 technologies, from SharePoint to Teams to Microsoft 365 Copilot. Subscribe then to see the new updates.
As you can see, a sort of first prompt appears. Let's say, in my case, it appears in English because I have the Office 365 configuration in English. Clearly, depending on the language you have, it will appear in your language. In this case, I can tell it to write an email to invite all colleagues to the next town hall on Friday, June 11th at 12 o'clock. I don't know if that was right or not the day. I just picked a random day for demonstration. You see that in this case, the button has, let's say, opened in automatic, this panel I have on the right that I could open even if I wanted to, let's say, independently by clicking on the icon that was here at the top, right? For Copilot, we'll look at it later. So what happened? That the prompt I had written in the email interface is brought back inside this panel, which in fact allows me to interact with Copilot in conversational mode, and Copilot itself has the possibility then to write automatically inside my email. You see that precisely Copilot has done its activity. It told me what it did, so I prepared and inserted the email, and then it asks me questions, right? Do you want me to do other things? Add a link, put in an agenda, etc., etc. And this is a bit, all generative AI solutions do it a bit, that is to do the action for you, and then to ask you how you want to continue moving forward. Because this is what I can actually do. That is, I can continue with my conversation and say, insert a concise agenda in this case. And so ask Copilot for another action, which it will then integrate right into my email. Okay? Clearly, when do I use Copilot to write an email for me? When, I want to write an email in a certain way with a specific tone. I don't want to start from scratch. And in seconds, I can get a first draft via a prompt. Obviously, if I have to write a super long prompt, I might as well just write the email myself. So you have to find the right balance for yourself. This Copilot integration feature in email is very useful, especially when I want to write emails in other languages. For example, in this case, I can write, transform the email into English, and Copilot will automatically take the content it already wrote in the email and then translate it into English for me. Okay, I use this a lot when dealing with foreign clients, both to read content in other languages and have Copilot give me a summary using the specific feature that provides it in my own language, and also using Copilot to translate the content of an email that I am writing myself. Okay, the best part though of this chat that I see up here, let's look at this, the ability to effectively integrate with company data. Okay, for example, in this particular case, consider the following. Please add to the daily list a note that you will be presenting the new corporate training solution, which is offered in a micro-learning mode. Get the information on this product from the file /, and with the /, I can go ahead and mention a document, Word, a presentation, an Excel file, whatever you want, from the files I have access to by doing a simple search. Okay? In this case, I searched for micro-learn with autocomplete. It found the file I wanted, I can select it, and now this file becomes part of my prompt. In this case, what does Copilot do? It reads the content. of the document, extracts the information it needs to perform, the action I requested, which is to add it to this agenda of my fictional town hall, right, that I'm using as a demonstration for these features so that it can in fact modify the email as I asked. Okay? And in this case, it takes a bit longer, obviously, because we have to wait for the document to be read by the generative AI, and then for the AI to process it and finally add the information into the email. So you see that in this case, it has actually inserted a brief description of the product. It's added the new agenda item, which I can then decide to keep or remove. In this case, it also added the file reference, which I don't actually need. I want to delete it. Clearly, you always have the option to modify the content of your draft before sending it. As you can see, this new way of interacting with your email draft with Copilot using the right-hand panel is really, really very useful. As I was saying, if I close the panel, I always have the option to reopen it with these icons at the top right, okay? And this is how you write emails with Copilot in Outlook, generative artificial intelligence directly integrated within the email management tool. I'll also show you another feature that I really like for writing emails very quickly. Let's take this email, which is clearly an example email. I have the option to reply and use Copilot to help me write the draft. How? At the bottom, right here at the bottom of the email, Copilot gives me 3 options to quickly reply to the email based on the content of the email itself. And I'm telling you that 90% of the time it hits one of the options, and it's always the one I want to either have the artificial intelligence write the email automatically and send it, or maybe quickly modify it. In this case, you see it's read the content of the previous email, and it's given me 3 options where one says, okay, I'm available, another says I'm waiting for more details, and another says we can look further into the project. If I click on, okay, I'm available, it generates an email for me following the basic directives that I've set within the Outlook settings, which we might see in a dedicated video, and it's prepared the draft for me. I can keep the draft and send it, or I can continue with this bar to make changes to the content of my email, or I can decide to delete it and start over from scratch. Or even one of these options that allows me to make the message shorter, make it longer, change the tone among these 4 available options, or directly access the area for personalizing my Outlook settings in Copilot so as to modify these matters of style, length, etc., which are then applied to all the drafts I write within Outlook. Really very, very integrated and very, very easy to use. I recommend Copilot in Outlook. See you in the next video.